New year, new idea. This piece of furniture that I was working on early December before I got COVID has been at an absolute standstill, and I have new ideas for it now. So did you know that you can remove WoodUbend? So WoodUbend, I'm still going to be using it, but I need to do something under it before I apply it. But I'd already applied this piece, and we can take it off. All you need is a heat gun. It's something that you can lift the edges up with. I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver. We're just gonna use the heat gun, apply heat. I do have primer on this piece, so I need to keep my piece moving so I don't scorch my primer, scorch my piece. I'm just gonna heat this piece up for just a little bit. It starts to soften. I'm gonna take my flathead screwdriver and just kind of start to release it from the edges. I just burned my hand, and you got to be careful you don't touch the silver tip of your heat gun because you'll burn your hand. Just letting you guys know that you can take them back off. Did you know that? Takes a little bit of effort, but sometimes we have reasons that we need to do that. New year, new design, finally moving forward.